This is the Heartsine 360, which is a fully automatic defibrillator. Now, unlike the 350, which is a semi-automatic defibrillator where you have to push a button, with the 360, it's fully automatic, so you do not need to push a shock button. It will do it for you. So very similar in design to the other one. The casing is exactly the same. The way that the battery and pads and all that work is exactly the same. It's purely that the front area here, there is no shock button on it. So you would push the start button to actually activate the unit. Still got the same buttons at the top, which are showing pad placement and when you need to stand clear and when it's safe to touch the patient to do CPR. But in the middle there, you'll see it's just this indication. Now that will light to say, it will still go through all the whole process of it's going to be a shock delivered, but you don't push the button, it does it automatically. Now there are not as many fully automatic defibrillators in the community as there are semi-automatic defibrillators, but you may well come across something like this. And if you do want something that's fully automatic, you can literally put on, let the AED do its job, let it shock, and then you can just concentrate on the CPR, then this is the machine for you. It's very simple, easy to use unit.